video, we will discover how to take full control of any portrait, and we will control emotions using these two AI tools to surprise us with transforming our modern Mona Lisa's expressions from surprise and smile to Mona Lisa pose, and from wrinkle to concentration. The first AI tool to control emotions is Facebook. This is the GitHub page for Facebook, and you could find this page link in description below, and actually you could download and install this locally, but for this example we want to use this tool online for free using Hugging Page link. Here, this is Facebook Hugging Face page, and to use it, click on choose a portrait photo here. I want to upload one of my Suji Dream Angels and Demons images here. Please check show face markers to modify this portrait face. Now we could select and control face, eyes, eyebrows and lips. After highlighting face, if you click and hold mouse left button and move it to the left and right, as you see, this tool did a great job in tilting head clockwise and counterclockwise. And now let's highlight and click on eyebrows to control them with moving mouse up and down. After highlighting eyes, if you move mouse all the way to the up, you could open the eyes, and if you move it down, you will close the eyes as well. After selecting lips, if you move the mouse to the top right corner, the mouth will be wide open, and if you move the mouse to the bottom left, this will close the mouth and fold the lips. The second AI tool is Flowny Expression Editor. This is Flowny Expression Editor interface, and you could find the link for this tool in description below. To use this, click on upload or drag image here. I want to upload one of my modern Mona Lisa images that I used Krea Flux model to create it. Now you could control head, eyes, mouth and other settings as well. First of all, I want to add a smile on this Mona Lisa image, so I want to set it to 0.64, and preview image will appear here with a beautiful smile as you see. And if we set slider back to the 0, the image will restore to the original state again. Okay, let's give her smile back. Let's play with and EFX sliders to give her a big smile. In the eyes tab, we could control eyebrows and set it up and down using this slider here. Also, we could add wing using this slider. And we could use this button to reset the image to the original state. And my favorite feature is fixing eyes direction. And we could decide for our AI image to look right, look left, look up, or look down. Or just look to the camera to fix this common issue. And in the head tab, we could rotate the head to the up and down, and to the right and left, or just tilt it to the sides, and play with other sliders to reach to our desired mood for this portrait, and download it using this button here. And if you're interested how I use Krea's Flux model to create these Mona Lisa images, please don't miss this video, and please let me know about your experiences in the description below. And thanks for supporting channel with your likes, comments, and of course subscribing channel. And please share this video link with your friends to join us in one-click tutorials AI adventure.